Colorman first started in 1959, and over the years we've changed as a business. In the 80s and 90s we were mainly within the IT sector, and in the last 20 years we've moved towards pharmaceutical, healthcare and medical device products. So we have over 350 clients across the business, ranging from pharmaceutical, healthcare and medical device, everything from small volume to large volume on behalf of multinational clients to individual companies. We range from digital print to litho to a full suite of carton manufacturing. And the presses are very capable here, where we can move from sheet fed into carton board. Colorman at the forefront of printing within Ireland in regard to innovation. We invest heavily in new equipment and technologies, and we invest when the time is right in the right equipment. Heidelberg is a significant partner for Colorman. Heidelberg machines are seen as the pinnacle of printing. We've partnered for Heidelberg now for over 15 years, and we saw through innovation and the change that Heidelberg have made over the last while that we've been able to move with Heidelberg as those changes and innovations have happened, and it makes sense for our business to continue that partnership.
We got our first PO for our first Heidelberg printing press in 2013, and we took delivery of that in Q1 of 2014. When we put the press in, it was very obvious very quickly that it was certainly a step up from what we were used to. The machine performed as soon as it hit the ground. The training that was put in got us to get the best out of the machine in terms of efficiencies. So that was the start of our relationship with Heidelberg. In our press room, we've got 3 XL 106s, a 2-colour perfector with a cut star in the back. We have an 8-colour perfector with end of press coating. We have a 6-colour double coater, and we have an XL 75 8-colour perfector with an end of press coating as well. In our pre-press area, we have a Connect workflow, and we have 2 supersetters. And also in our conventional bindery, we have 4 Heidelberg folding machines. So when you take a walk around our factory, you see that Heidelberg is a significant partner for us in the business. I would consider Heidelberg to be the best machine manufacturer in the business. Their presses are exemplary. We think that has put us at an advantage. It's certainly in our press room, the in-press colour control, the way the machines feed, deliver, I think are exceptional. It's been a game changer for us as a business.
Heidelberg have been very important to us as a business. We've moved to Heidelberg presses in the last 10-15 years. We also invested in the pre-press systems. With the new technology and folding equipment, we find our relationship with Heidelberg has really been all-encompassing for our business. We find the Heidelberg machinery, both pre-press, printing and folding, very durable. So we don't have many downtime issues or maintenance issues. We find the machinery is built to last, and it does what it says on the tin. We see our partnership with Heidelberg growing into the future, producing high quality print and packaging for our customers.